Hi, in this video I'd like to show you our unsilenced range of controllable LookRyt AirCores. These retrofitted core vents deliver natural ventilation to habitable rooms to maintain a good indoor air quality with no running costs. To prevent drafts and cold spots, air is evenly dispersed through this unique anti-draught panel, and if required, the airflow can be adjusted with a simple push, pull or tilt action. The end plates may also be painted or wallpapered to blend in with the surrounding decor. Each set is easily installed through a 127mm diameter core drilled hole, and to satisfy varying ventilation criteria, there are 5 options in this range. 2 sets, one with a cowl and one without, offer high equivalent areas for larger requirements. 2 sets, again one with a cowl and one without, feature internal baffles to reduce light and drafts. The last set is our high-rise option with circular grille for fitting from the inside on high-level installations.
For more information, visit us online or call now